In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoom camera is not working with this 2026 full guide. If your camera is not showing up in Zoom, don't worry. In many cases, the fix is simple and we'll go through the most effective solutions in a clear order so you can get your video working again. First, check your camera connection. If you're using an external webcam, make sure it's plugged in properly. A loose connection can stop Zoom from detecting it. Unplug the webcam, reconnect it, and if needed, try a different USB port. Sometimes the port itself is the issue, not the camera. Next, restart Zoom completely. Close the app fully and make sure it isn't still running in the background. Then reopen Zoom and join your meeting again. This can refresh the app and solve temporary glitches. After that, check your camera permissions on Windows, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security, and then Camera. Turn on camera access and also enable the option that allows desktop apps to access your camera. Make sure Zoom is allowed to use it. Without permission, Zoom won't be able to activate your webcam. Now open the Zoom desktop app and select the correct camera. Click your profile picture, go to Settings, then Video. Under the camera section, choose the correct webcam from the drop-down list. If you have more than one camera connected, Zoom may be using the wrong one. You should be able to see yourself in the preview if the right camera is selected. Another common cause is another app already using the camera. Close apps like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Skype, OBS Studio, Discord, the camera app, or even a web browser tab that has camera access. Once those are closed, reopen Zoom and test the camera again. You should also update Zoom. Open the app, click your profile picture, and choose Check for Updates. Install any available update, then restart Zoom. Running the latest version can fix compatibility problems and bugs. If that doesn't work, restart your computer. This clears temporary software conflicts and often restores camera access. On Windows, you can also update your camera driver. Right-click the Start button, open Device Manager, expand cameras or imaging devices, right-click your webcam, and